So today I was working on trust issues, and there being a hint of obverse, overfed blame in the air. And I kept counting on my friends to get me through it, like personality interceptions, inceptions of them that run through me. And yet, there was more to it than that. It had to be not just understood with an understanding, but lived with almost like a cure for life, just to have everything be life. I've been studying like repetitive principles and areas of like alienation of the psyche, such as Area 51, or comedy that's just very hard to understand. And that helps, but I think to make it something you can understand without actually understanding helps. And to kind of just realize it's not one specific part of the whole, it's all kind of like maybe eyes are sorting things out, and we can count on those kind of hidden sense of eyes to sort things out, and then not be a half engaged person, just try to be like, like, I don't know how this works, but one half and like 3/4, like, so you're still getting your slime mechanism of pulsation of what is, mainly just information, and then counting on just the stillness of mentality and systematics to keep with the theme of, you are exactly what you're ready to experience where you are in that, and you're not beyond feelings of doubt, feelings of I'm fine so strong that you can't interpret, like little hints that seem hard to understand. Basically, alright, well, check me out.